Hello everyone! Welcome to Fluent Start English channel. This episode is made for beginners to learn slow and simple English. Here we speak clearly, we use easy words, and we tell friendly stories. Long ago, in a small village surrounded by thick forests, there lived a poor but hard-working woodcutter. Every morning, he would go to the forest with his old iron axe and return home in the evening with bundles of wood. He sold the firewood in the market and used the little money he earned to feed his family. Even though life was difficult, he was always honest and content with whatever he had. One hot afternoon, the woodcutter was chopping wood near a riverbank. Suddenly, the handle of his axe slipped from his sweaty hands, and with a splash, the axe fell into the deep water. He rushed to the edge of the river, but the axe had sunk to the bottom. The woodcutter sat on the ground with his head in his hands. "Oh no! That was my only axe. Without it, how will I work? How will I feed my children?" he cried. Hearing his sorrow, the river goddess rose from the sparkling water. She had a calm face and a kind smile. "Why are you so sad, good man?" she asked gently. The woodcutter bowed respectfully and explained how his axe had fallen into the river. The goddess listened carefully and said, "Do not worry, I will help you." She disappeared beneath the water and came back holding a shiny golden axe. "Is this the axe you lost?" she asked. The woodcutter's eyes widened, but he quickly shook his head. "No, ma'am, that axe is very beautiful, but it is not mine. Mine was just a simple iron axe." The goddess smiled and sank into the river again. This time, she came back holding a silver axe, bright and dazzling in the sunlight. "Perhaps this is your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter looked at it carefully and again shook his head. "No, that is not mine either. I cannot take what does not belong to me." Finally, the goddess went down one more time and returned with a rusty old iron axe. The woodcutter's face lit up with relief. "Yes, that is my axe. Thank you so much," he said, his voice filled with gratitude. The goddess was deeply pleased with his honesty. "Because you are truthful and did not try to take what is not yours, I will reward you." She handed him not only his iron axe, but also the golden and silver axes. The woodcutter could hardly believe his eyes. He bowed again and said, "I am grateful, but I only needed my old axe." The goddess smiled kindly. "Your honesty has earned you more than you asked for. May you always live a happy and prosperous life." The woodcutter returned to his village with all 3 axes. From that day on, his family never had to struggle again. He became known throughout the land as the Honest Woodcutter, and his story inspired others to live with truth and integrity. Moral of the story: honesty always brings true rewards, even when temptation is strong. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this English story and practice listening carefully. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click like, share this video with your family and friends, and leave a comment with your ideas. I always love reading your messages, and it helps us learn together. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you in the next episode.